Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking things out here at WXYZ.com. Weather-wise, we got one day of sunshine, but now we're looking at some rain getting closer. The big bullseye for the severe weather was Oklahoma and Texas yesterday. Now it's Arkansas, Missouri, and Louisiana, and it just keeps moving to the east over the next couple of days. It gets close enough to us, though, that we actually have a chance for some thunder. Not severe weather, but some thunder in the afternoon tomorrow on Wednesday. Here's a look at your forecast now. The evening's fine. The high clouds start to come in and block a little bit of the sunshine. It's dry most of the night, but once we get past midnight here, there's a rain chance, and there might be some snowflakes mixed in. Anywhere around M59 to the north, there's a chance of that. Don't think it sticks. It's too warm for that, but up around I-69 or just north of I-69, maybe a touch of that sticks, but it changes over to rain pretty quickly as the day goes around. It's a cold rain, 45 for high, east winds 10 to 20, maybe some gusts to 25. So it's not a real pretty day. Grab a warm coat and a good umbrella. And again, there might be a little thunder. Not talking about nasty weather, but might be a little thunder. Enhance the rain a bit in the afternoon. Friday, still a good chance of showers around here. No thunder. Looks like the weekend turns out okay. 52 and 55 Saturday and Sunday with some sunshine both days.